Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening GameSpace because this central hub controls game focus. Tap Settings or launch the GameSpace app. Once there, add the game you want to prioritize. You do this because GameSpace associates profiles and optimizations per app. Make sure to allow any permission prompts so the system can manage notifications and performance. Once your game appears in the list, you're ready to configure its focus profile and move to detailed controls for performance and interruption. Now you configure what game focus actually does during play. Open the game's profile and enable game focus so interruptions are restricted. Toggle block notifications to keep pop-ups away. Then set performance options like CPU/GPU boost to reduce lag and increase frame stability. If you rely on online play, enable network priority and restrict background data for other apps to lower latency. Once done, review Do Not Disturb integration, so calls and alerts follow your chosen rules. Finish by launching the game from GameSpace so your configured profile activates automatically. You'll see reduced notifications and the performance tweaks applied. If you notice overheating, frame drops, or battery drain, make sure boost modes aren't set too high and close heavy background apps. If game focus won't stick, check permissions, disable battery saver, and update Realme UI or the GameSpace app. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, reboot the phone and reapply the profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.